This video will demonstrate the use of special tools, valve guide installer and valve guide stem attachment. These tools are used together to install valve stem seal on the valve guide. Using valve guide installer and valve guide stem attachment. Before installing the valve stem seal, install the valve spring seat as shown. Always use a new valve stem seal during assembly. Fit the valve stem seal to the valve guide installer spindle. Apply engine oil to the spindle of the valve guide installer and the valve stem seal. Insert the special tool along with valve stem seal in the valve guide as shown. Install the valve stem seal to the valve guide by tapping the special tool by hand as shown. Do not use a hammer to tap the special tool as it may cause damage to the seal and valve guide. Remove the special tools and inspect the seal for proper fitment. Advantage and benefit. This tool helps in easy and proper installation of valve stem seal on the valve guide. This prevents damage to the seal and leakage of oil into the combustion chamber from seal.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.